What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. Right now it's morning, it's about 11ish and we are here in market number 3, Zia Park. This is very close to Savitri Cinema. It is just next to the flyover. The road is one way, so be careful when you drive in here. Along with me is Shailendra, he is behind the camera, and then there is Abhishek, who is a food vlogger. We have seen him in my earlier videos. Along with Abhishek and Nakul Kapoor, we are exploring the hidden gems of Delhi. So in the last episode you would have seen we explored Peshawari Dhaba in Palika Bazar. They serve fantastic chicken korma. So if you have not seen that video, I'll give a link right up here. Last time we were in this market for a food walk and Abhishek quietly disappeared for some time and came with a dish. So more about that Abhishek will tell you.
So this is a place called Ashirbad, and the best part about this place is that the prices are so cheap.
It is, yeah.
I mean, if you buy a fish chop, that costs just 10 rupees. If you buy fish fry, 15 rupees a piece. I think even the fish cutlet is quite cheap. So,
it is.
And the taste is fantastic.
Actually, I'll show you what is available in the shop. You will be really surprised. There is more than fish. There are vegetarian cutlets available. There is chicken dishes available.
I think they make biryani as well.
Oh, they make biryani also. Actually, they have a butchery inside, right? They do their own meat. Yeah. So let's go and see what is available in the shop. I'll quickly show you what all dishes are available and then we'll taste few of them. So let's go. So there are various things available in this shelf. So there is seekh kebab, there is aloo chop, there is veg chop, there is fish fry, there is the banana flower chop which is called the mochar chop, fish cutlet, chicken chop, prawn chop, egg devil. Egg devil is quite popular in all three markets of Zia Park. There is mutton chop, one of my favorite dishes, so we definitely going to try that. Then there is chicken lollipop and chicken leg fry. And there are many more dishes getting prepared because it is first thing in the morning, about 11ish now. So let's talk to the owner of the shop. His name is Shankar Mondal. ये है शंकर मोंडल जी and he owns this snack center which is hugely popular. This is a small market but this is probably the best shop where you can get all these goodies. तो आपने कब शुरू किया था ये शॉप?
1998 से।
और आपकी शॉप में क्या क्या अवेलेबल है नॉर्मली?
एक्चुअली अभी तो जैसे फिश फ्राई मोचा चॉप हमारा फेमस है।
अच्छा।
तो हमने ये फिश फ्राई शुरू किया था 3 रुपए से।
अच्छा।
तो 3 रुपए से जब शुरू किया था अभी 15 रुपए का है। और मोचा चॉप मैंने शुरू किया था 4 रुपए से। तो 4 रुपए से लेके अभी 10 रुपया तक है। तो हमारे पास तो अभी जैसे फिश फ्राई है, फिश कटलेट है, मटन चॉप है, एग डेविल है, चिकन चॉप है, प्रॉन चॉप है और चिकन लेग फ्राई है, चिकन लॉलीपॉप है।
और आपका शॉप का टाइमिंग क्या है?
सुबह 10 से रात का 10:30 तक।
तो 10 to 10:30 और all 7 days open है ये?
ओपन है।
I will give a link of the shop in the description below. So we will take his recommendation and we will try mochar chop and आपने बताया क्या फेमस है इधर? फिश फ्राई। ये ट्राई करेंगे हम मटन चॉप भी ट्राई करेंगे because that is one of our favorite. So Abhishek, we tried the fish fry last time. We have also tried food from different places in Market 1 and Market 2. Why do you think this is a hidden gem and What is the difference?
I think the taste was really fresh, and the chutney and the onions they serve with it, that was also really good. And I tried at Dada's as well. I mean, it doesn't need to be unnecessarily spicy. This was very simple taste. You get the flavor of the fish. I think that was the best part about it.
Shankar Mondal was saying they fry fish and other things in the vegetable oil, not mustard oil, which gives it an extra crispiness. But it was very clean tasting, very fresh. The portions are small, but that's the fun of it. You can order extra portion, you won't be wasting anything. So small portions, affordable prices, and super fresh and super clean. So first batch of food is right in front of us. So we have mochar chop, which is banana flour chops. We have the mutton chops, and we have beautiful fish fry. Just have a look at this fish fry. These are very thin pieces of baked tea, which is batter fried. It is also crumb fried actually, right?
Yes, it has breadcrumbs.
So I am letting Abhishek take the first bite in this episode. Please go ahead, Abhishek, and tell us how this one tastes. Is the taste consistent? Is it as good as last time?
It's as good as last time. I mean, it's really fresh. I don't feel that it's very oily.
Actually, it is not oily at all. Just see my fingers. Absolutely no oil.
I'm going to try it with the onions and the chutney. Fantastic. Freshly prepared chutney in the morning.
So Abhishek says freshly prepared great chutney, onions, and this fish fry. The meat, I can't wait. I have to now eat. Very, very crunchy, but the fish is flaky inside and it has no fishy smell. Absolutely fantastic baked tea fry. It's actually fried in fresh oil. You can't see any dark edges here. Very clean looking, great tasting fish fry. Let's dip it in this chutney. Maybe a little bit of onion. It's stunning. This chutney and this fish fry combination is amazing. There is nothing better you can have on a Saturday morning like this. This fish fry is all 10 out of 10 for me. What about you, Abhishek? How will you rate this fish fry?
I think 10 out of 10 because I can get the taste of fish. The flavor of fish is very much there. It is not, clouded by the coating and the breadcrumbs. It's just
actually the coating just gives it that crispy edge. Otherwise, the taste of the fish is very clean and very tasty. One more bite. Now we'll taste the mutton chop. We have tried mutton chop from almost all shops in Market 2 and Market 3. You can see the size of the mutton chop. It's not a large chop like you get in many shops in CR Park. This is actually a one biter. But let's see how it tastes. It is mixed with potato, aloo, and the masalas. Masalas are very light. Just have a look inside the mutton chop. Let me try it with the chutney now. This chutney is so good. They serve this chutney and onions with almost everything, but I overheard a customer talking, they also make good kasundi. So we'll try the kasundi also. But meanwhile, Abhishek, you want to take this last bite of mutton?
So I'll try it with the onions and chutney.
Yeah.
I can feel potatoes and some mutton keema is there. There is some chaat masala because I can feel it is a bit chatpata. So I think it has some.
But
chaat
it's not
masala
spicy. It is like.
It is not
mild.
spicy. It's not spicy.
So now we'll try the banana flower chops, mocha chops. Just see. They look similar to the mutton chops. I have got some kasundi also. So let me take a bite of the. Well, let's try it together. You also have a bite and let's try.
Yeah. There's something new.
Yeah. Actually, banana flour is something which we don't normally use in households. But if you come to this market, CR Park markets, you can find banana flowers with all the vegetable sellers. This is something new for us. Quite exciting to taste it. I think there is a hint of sweetness somewhere.
Yes, it is sweet. It has aloo as well. Potato is there, and the banana flour as it is, it's quite sweet.
You can see a bit of banana flour here. But since it's a little bit sweet, we'll try it with kasundi now. I'm going to take a generous amount of kasundi. I love the pungency and the taste of kasundi here. It looks beautiful, isn't it? Let's see whether this is better than the green chutney. It is strong. Okay, Abhishek says it's quite pungent. So I'm just going to plonk it in my mouth just like this. It is pungent. If you're trying kasundi for the first time, I'll advise that you try it little bit at the beginning. Then if you like the pungency and the taste, you can just taste it as much as possible. I actually love it. It gives a nice flavor. It kind of lasts for some time. I told you this chop is a little bit sweet. So with the pungency, I think it's a great combination. So next we are going to try the prawn chop. So we have prawn chops in front of us. They're quite heavy. Looks like they're medium-sized prawns. Just have a look at it.
Looks like a fish.
It looks like a fish, but I think most of it will be the coating. So the prawn chop. Actually, you can see the prawns is not very big. There is a coating of potato and other stuff around the prawn. That makes it look big. I think I definitely like the fish fry better than the prawn chops.
I mean, they are medium-sized prawns, but I think they have few prawns inside. So I'll just do one thing.
Yeah.
I'll just try this with the chutney first. Yeah. So they've made it so big that the flavor of the prawn has lost somewhere in between.
It is getting masked in this potato coating.
Because of all the potato and breadcrumbs and everything that they have coated it with.
It is a nice snack, but calling it a prawn chop, I have my doubts about it. We have ordered another portion of the fish fry, so we are just going to finish this fish fry and I'll meet you in few seconds. So we finished the delicious fish fry. Very flaky fish. There are thin fillets of fish which is coated, and when you order the fish, they fry it fresh and they serve it with this fantastic chutney and onions. That was really worth it. The mocha chop was good. The prawns, we were not really impressed because we were not getting the taste of the prawns. The mutton chop also, there is a little bit of mutton, but it is mixed with a little bit of spices. Abhishek said a little bit of chaat masala and then a lot of potatoes. But the prices are great. I mean, it is just 30 rupees, 20 rupees and 15 rupees. So you can come here and try it anytime. The shop is open from 10 o'clock in the morning till 10:30 in the night. Abhishek, your thoughts?
Yeah, I think you've said most of the things. Considering the prices, the food served here is really good, and especially the fish. I think this is the best fish fry I've had in CR Park till now. Much better than the places in Market 1 and Market 2. So I think we can come again for the fish.
Yes. The other thing is, Dada told us that they get fresh baked tea fillets from Kolkata or Bombay every 4th or 5th day. So the fish you get here is of high quality, baked tea. So fish fry, fish fry, fish fry. That's what we recommend from Ashirbad. We wanted to try the fish cutlet also, but fish cutlet is just getting ready. It will take some time. So we are happy with the fish fry. So thank you Dada. फिश फ्राई तो बढ़िया थी. तो आपको कुछ बताना है हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए?
एक्चुअली फिश फ्राई मोचा चौक हमारा फेमस है. तो धीरे धीरे हम फिश फ्राई शॉप 3 रुपये से शुरू किया था. तो मेरा जैसे कस्टमर बढ़ रहा है
तो आपने अलग चीज़ों भी इंट्रोड्यूस किया. They also make biryani on order, and you also get rolls in the evening. So if you come here in the evening, you can try all these things. So thank you Dada once again, and to you, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to Chomping Champion, and click on the bell button to get the notifications. Also check our website www.chompingchampion.com. We are also there on social media, so follow us on social media. Till the next video, bye. Take care.